Welcome to Dr. Ayurvedi. Every single day, we bring you simple, effective, and time tested Ayurvedic remedies to help you live a healthier and happier life. If you want to improve your health naturally with quick daily Ayurvedic solutions, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any remedy. But before we begin, an important message. Do not follow random health tips from the internet or social media blindly. Many viral remedies can have negative effects on your health. At Dr. Ayurvedi, our goal is to fight misinformation and raise awareness. We carefully research and analyze every remedy to bring you safe, natural, and effective solutions. However, every body is different. Even natural remedies can affect individuals differently depending on their health condition. So always pay attention to your body. And if you notice any negative reaction, stop immediately and consult a professional. Now let's explore today's powerful Ayurvedic remedy. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of hibiscus, nature's gift for beautiful, healthy hair. If you're struggling with dandruff, hair fall, or slow hair growth, this remedy is going to change your hair care routine forever. Before we jump into the solution, let's understand what causes dandruff in the first place. In Ayurveda, dandruff is primarily caused by an imbalance of the Vata and Kapha doshas in your scalp. Here are the main culprits behind your dandruff problems. Dry scalp. When your scalp lacks natural oils, it becomes flaky and itchy. Fungal growth. Malassezia fungus thrives on oily scalps. Using harsh chemical shampoos that strip natural oils, high stress levels, poor diet, and even weather conditions like cold or heat can worsen dandruff. The good news? Hibiscus addresses most of these root causes naturally. Now let's discover why hibiscus is called the shoe flower, because it literally polishes and shines your hair. In Ayurveda, hibiscus is known as japa and has been used for centuries for hair and skin care. Here's what makes hibiscus so powerful for your hair. It's rich in vitamin C to boost collagen and strengthen follicles. Natural alpha-hydroxy acids gently exfoliate dead skin cells from your scalp, eliminating dandruff. Mucilage content acts as a natural conditioner for dry scalps, while amino acids nourish hair roots and improve hair texture. Antioxidants fight premature graying, and natural saponins cleanse the scalp without harsh chemicals. Studies show hibiscus can increase hair growth rate by up to 30%. Now comes the exciting part. Let's prepare this magical remedy at home. You'll need fresh hibiscus flowers and leaves, and 1 cup of coconut or sesame oil. For the oil, crush the flowers and leaves into a paste. Heat coconut oil on low flame and add the paste. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes until it turns dark red. Strain the oil and let it cool. Store it in a glass bottle. Massage gently into your scalp and leave for 30 minutes before washing with a mild shampoo. For the mask, blend fresh hibiscus with water to make a smooth paste. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and mix until you get a creamy consistency. Apply from roots to tips, cover with a shower cap, and leave for 45 minutes before rinsing. Pro tip: apply on slightly damp hair for better absorption. Consistency is key. During weeks 1 and 2, use this 2 to 3 times per week. You'll notice reduced scalp itching and your hair will feel softer. By month 2, dandruff flakes start disappearing and new hair growth becomes visible. You can then reduce usage to 2 times per week. From month 3 and beyond, use once a week for maintenance. You'll see complete dandruff control and visibly thicker, longer hair. Remember to do a patch test first if you have colored hair. For severe dandruff, reduce sugar in your diet and stay hydrated. True beauty comes from within. Nourish your body with sleep and stress management. Drop a comment below if you've tried hibiscus. Like, subscribe, and share this with your family. Until next time, stay healthy, stay natural. This is Dr. Ayurvedi signing off. See you tomorrow. Namaste.